Loch Inver in the Highlands of Scotland. Aboard the Celtic Lady, we head out on a wildlife tour. With the mountain views opening up as we head out. Everyone is on the lookout as both earlier trips had seen dolphins. We head north up beyond Achmelvik to the amazing Split Rock. As yet, we've not spotted any dolphins. We meandered back south, eyes peeled. Suddenly off to the left, there they were. Tony sped the boat towards them, and next thing they were all around us. Jumping, passing under the boat, one side to the other. Absolutely magical experience. We enjoyed the show for quite a while, then headed into Loch Roe to pay a visit to the common seals who were lazing in the afternoon sunshine. We have been on many boat trips around the UK, and this ranks at the top of them. This was our second outing, with sea eagles last time. Get yourself booked on it. If you are doing the North Coast Fan Route or in the area, you won't be disappointed.